We got another really strong, severe thunderstorm moving into the North Platte area. We got a huge squall line moving at us from the west and southwest. Wow. And we got another heat wave on the way. It was really humid today. It's really humid right now. The humidity feels like it's got to be about 70%. I notice there's some low cloud cover covering up the base of the storm. Which you typically see when it's this humid. And we have more cells back building to the south, so we're going to get a direct hit. Wow. My God. That is a nasty looking storm. See the striations in the cloud cover. That is a huge shelf cloud. I'm not sure if it's quite bright enough to come out on here or not.